to prepare them, you just take your scissors. Hi friends, I'm going to show you today how I go collecting palm leaves for that little palm leaf cross thing. So I actually go out to my golden canes and I just snip off branches for that. But did you know that you do not have to have a palm to do this palm leaf? There are some really good grass plants. I'm just going to show you here. Okay, let me just turn you around. I think this is called Lyria. It's another type of grass plant to use if you don't have palms. Okay, then you get your leaves in, and to prepare them, you just take your scissors if you want, and you just follow along the spine of the leaf like that, because you want to get rid of the spine. Okay, so take that side, and all I do is I just snip off a little bit of the end, and then I do plenty of those. I make a lot of them, a lot of extras as well. And then to keep them moist for when my lesson is the next day, is I put them on a wet paper towel. This is a damp paper towel, and I wrap them up in that paper towel, okay, like that. And then I just take some Glad wrap like that and roll them up, and you can put them in the fridge or wherever, then you have it ready for your lesson the next day. You know, many of you use technology, and you can easily just hook up your phone, you know, to your board and actually watch the tutorial, and the kids can see it on a nice big board. Today we are going to make a palm leaf cross. Let me give you a few tips. This craft is actually better with older kids, 10 years and up. And there still may be some kids that just won't be able to get it. So make sure you have some already done so that they can take home at the end of the lesson. I also prepare lots of extra leaves so the kids can have a go and make more than one. And I also too remind them that they can just get on to Write Ideas with Susan, and they can do this again when they get home. So there's just a few little ideas for you, and if you have helpers that are helping you with your Sunday school classes, make sure they know how to do the cross, so then they can be a really good help on the day, and you need to practice as well. Okay guys, I hope that helps. Bye. Now take the bottom part and fold it up over the top of that little triangle, like that. It's pointing up now. Now take the top part again, fold it